AACE CCT Primer Questions with Verified Answers. The sum of the practices and processes that an enterprise uses to manage the total life cycle cost. Investment in its portfolio of strategic assets is called heavy check mark total cost management. Is the application of scientific principles and technique to problems of estimation, cost control, business planning and management science, profitability analysis, project management, planning and scheduling heavy check mark, cost engineering. Is the value of an activity or asset. Generally, this value is determined by the cost of the resources that are expended to complete the activity or produce the asset. An example would be the facilities needed to produce an activity or asset, which would include the tooling, electricity, taxes and maintenance, etc., and necessary to keep the facility available for use. Other costs might be office supplies, communication costs, travel costs, and security costs heavy check mark cost. 1/4. Any consumable, except time, required to accomplish an activity are considered from a total cost ND asset management perspective. May include any real or potential investment in strategic assets, including time, monetary, human, and physical. Heavy check mark resources. A resource becomes a cost when it is or consumed in an or project heavy check mark invested. Project, material, labor, and other are categories of heavy check mark resources. The product life cycle is the complete history of a product through its definition, production, operation, and obsolescence phases. Concept dispose à elle. The distinction between product life cycle and project life cycle is that the latter does not include the AOE operation disposal. Is the systematic numeric method of classifying various categories of costs for accounting. PU reposes AOE code of accounts. 2/4. Is used in situations where each job is different and is performed to the customer's specifications. Involves keeping an account of direct costs, labor, machine time, raw materials, and indirect costs, overhead heavy check mark job costing. A process is a sequence or independent and linked procedures which to convert inputs into outputs. These outputs then serve as inputs for the next stage until a known goal or end result is reached. Heavy check mark consume resources. Is a good idea, method, information, object, service, etc. that is the end result of a process and serves as a need or want satisfier product. Heavy check mark product. Product manufactured along with a different product in a process in which both are required in the production of another product are considered heavy check mark co-products. A key feature of a is that it has low value in comparison with the principal product S and may be discarded or sold. Heavy check mark byproduct. Types of manufacturing operations include run and shop. Heavy check mark process. Batch job. 3/4. This manufacturing operation runs almost continuously, making the same thing. Examples are refining and chemical plants, and very long-run assembly operations. Heavy check mark process. Underscore, characterized by a setting up for one product, producing a set quantity of product, and then shutting down to change over to producing another product. Underscore, similar to a batch run operation, except that you only produce one of the item. Each job results in a customized product. Examples are metal fabrication, prototype, fabrication. Heavy check mark job. Shop. Roles such as executive/senior management, legal, HR, business development, etc. These roles are the farthest removed from the actual production of discrete product at the various facilities. They are shared across many production locations and considered overhead. Are field/plant support personnel located at the site. The SE resources help the operation run smoothly. These are people like local payroll, facility maintenance, site project controls, site senior, office-based, supervisors, and management who are shared across the various products. The particular location produces heavy check mark indirects. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org/4.